You won't believe what I just found in the heart of Five Forks, Simpsonville. Welcome to 416 Leigh Creek Drive, a custom 3,300 square foot layout featuring a 2-story family room filled with natural light. You get a main-level primary suite with a soaking tub and dual vanities, plus a second primary suite upstairs with its own private bath, making this layout unmatched for multi-generational living. The kitchen features granite counters, stainless appliances, a center island, and flexible formal spaces perfect for home offices. Out back, enjoy year-round outdoor living on the covered porch with easy breeze windows, plus a matching storage building. Located on a corner lot with a 3-car garage, just steps from the community pool, cabana, and top-rated schools. 4 beds, 4 baths, and endless flexibility. Tap the link in the description below to get the complete property information or DM us right now to book your private tour before it's gone.